With regards to comfort and safety, construction of a secure building is the main concern of Hushman Saze Company. Hushman Saze Company sees quality as the #1 priority in everything that it does.
Quality is the most important feature for products of Hushman Saze. Hushman Saze are Vinara as the mass constructor of LSF structures in Iran and the Middle East, has drawn the most attention to quality of products, and in all production stages, quality is considered as the most significant factor. Application of CAD/CAM system more than any other factors has made Hushman Saze as a unique and international company in construction of LSF structures. This company, by the implementation of the up-to-date technology in manufacturing lines of its factories, has changed the process of manufacturing parts and panels from traditional methods and blacksmithing to a method through which calculations and production of the structure will be fulfilled by advanced software which minimized human mistakes. This process made the construction project's implementers free from heavy worksite supervisions. CAD/CAM technology intelligently conducts the received data so that it takes general solidarity of construction into account and applies loads on the structure in actual conditions and proportionally selects the sections so that they have ability to optimally react against the loads. Therefore, all mechanical works, including cutting and punching for passing mechanical and electrical facilities, have been predicted and applied automatically by machine and systems. CAD/CAM system is the most important technical advantage in producing LSF structures in Hushman Saze. Hushman Saze products follow current global standards such as IBC and AISI. Using the latest international valid methods and standards has assured the users of buildings constructed by Hushman Saze to live in a safe place. This company tries to make continual relations with scientific research and laboratory institutes to conform its products to the current criteria, regulations and standards to prevent their qualitative shortage. Lighting, while complying with strengthening principles, caused the buildings constructed by Hushman Saze to be considered as safe, durable and reinforced buildings and minimize waste materials and energy consumption throughout construction and utilization period. To follow the utmost safety standards in buildings constructed by Hushman Saze, particularly for those who live in locations prone to having earthquakes, is the most important point considered by designers and planners of this company. Safety along with high speed in construction is the significant feature of buildings constructed by this company. Hushman Saze presents a different experience of acceleration in construction to its customers. This company, by applying qualified staff experienced in programming, designing and pre-manufacturing engineering, minimizes period of manufacturing parts as well as the construction completion. This case is very important for the investors who want to accelerate construction work to refund their investments as soon as possible, a demand which will be responded by Hushman Saze. Acceleration in manufacturing parts and construction of buildings, fulfilling accurate supervision and compliance with national and international standards, observing safety points, strengthening and ultimately construction of buildings which conform to engineering principles in any and all aspects, caused Hushman Saze to be considered as the outstanding mass constructor in Iran and the world, which applies industrialized method. Being awarded different appreciation letters and plaques by different authorities evidently indicates success of this company in the implementation of construction projects. While applying the latest technology utilized throughout the world, experienced staff in designing and engineering fields within the company, plant manufacturing units in Iran industrialized sites, skilled and experienced executive engineers and technicians in worksite, experts in administrative sections, supervision rendered by programming and management systems. Hushman Saze indicated its utmost capability in accepting and implementing various types of construction projects in Iran and the world. so that the company is capable of implementing considerable mass construction projects at home or abroad, employing the natives with the less specialty and through short-term training. By achieving its purposes and objectives in construction, Hushman Sazı has tried to train and educate skilled manpower, and currently by establishing Applied Science University of Modern Building Technologies, has proceeded to educate and train manpower and adopt scholars from abroad in different fields of engineering. Hushman Sazı hopes a bright future in development of building knowledge and technology by relying on Iranian active and intelligent manpower.